A day in my life as marketing management student. Hello mga kabashi! So, for today's video is I'm going to show you my daily routine as a marketing management student, and also I am working in a private company. So, for today's video is I'm going to attend our intramurals 2025 in ACT. So, come with me! Hello mga langga, so padung ko out sa work, so naghimo ko og report na mo. After sa kong work mga langga is ni uli na ko, and then na ni attend na ko sa among intramurals parade. So ang among assembly area da ay mga langga is sa Department of Health kanang in front sa Crown Regency Hotel. At this point mga langga is padong namin musod sa Biliana Sports Center, and here is the flow of opening program. We are from Team Tycoons mga langga, and maani siya ang day 1. Let me tell you mga langga the importance of intramurals. So intramurals itself is defined as being situated or done with the walls of a building. There are some benefits mga langga of intramurals. It is a great way to increase student engagement by providing students with opportunities to interact socially with their peers, which fosters a sense of belonging, positive mental health, and greater engagement in both academic and non-academic activities. So katong nakita ninyo a while ago mga langga is mao to siya ang lighting of torch and dance palabas. So, at this point, malangga is mauni siya ang pop dance sa college. This is from Team Tycoons mga langga, and we are greatly proud of them. At this point, mga langga, is the finale, and we have concert from Okaraga and fireworks displays. So, day 2 na ta mga langga. So, diri mga langga is nitanaw ko sa championship volleyball women sa Team Tycoons and Team Masters. And congratulations na to mga langga, no? So kita dayang champion diha mga langga. Team Tycoons for the win! So chika langga may mga langga, intramurals langga is also developed the sportsmanship, which teaches the importance of fair play, respect for opponents, and good sportsmanship mga langga. And day 3 na ta mga langga. So maoday ni ang mga ganap sa day 3 mga langga, no? So by the way mga langga is irregular student day ko mga langga. And I think that's all for today's video mga langga. I am Angie. Leave you a saying that a bad semester or a bad grades won't define your future. Hope you enjoyed watching, cause in this vlog I love you all.